Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change your video background from this to this in less than 5 minutes. So first you're going to want to start with as plain of a background as you can possibly start with. You may have noticed that I removed the plant that I normally have behind me because it's just going to make the whole process easier to basically overlay a different background. Next, when you're recording, you're going to want to make sure to not use giant hand motions like that. Otherwise, it could show up outside of the frame that you're going to mask out later. So step one is going to be to go ahead and import your footage into Final Cut Pro and make all of the adjustments that you need for your video. Once you have all of the adjustments, you're going to want to go up and click Save Current Frame in Final Cut Pro to get a high resolution image. So now we're going to move to the fun part of actually creating the background. You're going to open up Adobe Photoshop and then open up your image that you saved the current frame of from your video. Next, you're going to mask out the areas of the image that you want the background to fill. So once you've masked out the area that you want as your background, then we're going to use Content Aware Fill to fill it in with whatever you would like. So once you're done in Photoshop, we're going to save this image and then open it up in Final Cut Pro and then drag it above our clip. Next, we'll extend that image above our clip and then we'll need to add a draw mask. So draw an outline around yourself, leaving a little bit of space. And then you'll need to check the invert mask button to make sure that the background's not showing at the same time. And then for the last step, you may need to increase the feathering of your draw mask to remove any lines. All right, so that looks like less than 5 minutes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ask any questions or leave comments below if you'd like. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time.